Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here at the Baker's Garden Building Show Centre, and had a really productive morning with McClure, Guy Watts from Architectural Plants, working on the garden design, actually doing the planting today. It's been quite a tough morning. We're all covered in mud, sweating like idiots, but are really pleased with the production of what's happened here. And then Karen, tell us about the design and how you've incorporated that with the garden room that you've done.
Yeah, so we really like to incorporate a client's personality and style into the garden design. So to go that step further and have the garden room that's coordinated as well. Great to know that bakers can also customise their buildings to work with the palette that we've designed for the client, which then might connect to the interiors and the house, so that your scheme really harmonises. And then obviously with the planting, we've just taken those elements out into the planting. So obviously we've put some really big structural plants in, we've put some layers in so that it kind of just frames that garden room really nicely, and then just picked up plants that will just pick up on the colours and the materials that we've used in the building. So it's just got that very subtle connection. We didn't want to detract too much from the room. We just wanted to kind of give it a lovely little just green verdant showcase. And once this all knits together and you've kept it alive, then it will really complement that beautifully.
Yes, it is worth saying that Karen has actually designed this room with us, so it's a whole part of a new launch that we're doing in about a month's time, but we wanted to demonstrate it first here. So Guy, tell us about the planter we've got here. I mean, these were the big things. You sent me some images and I was like, wow, that could be a bit too big, but they look so stunning. What are they?
So these are Trachycarpus fortunei, which is a hardy palm. These have got stripped barks rather than having the hairy trunk. No issues with hardiness doing that, just adds a bit of a feature. And we've planted them really close together. It's got a lovely multi-stem look as well.
Yeah.
It's a very sort of exotic planting with the fatsias, big evergreen, and then layered down to Mahonia Hacknacloa, which over time will be a carpet of grass and lovely lush colours from both in and outside. You'll see both of these. And anywhere you walk now around the studio, you'll see different parts of the garden, different plants and different styles.
That's amazing. So if you've never been to Architectural Plants, you must go. It's just an amazing place, isn't it? But what we've done here, this is like 3 hours of transformation. A lot of work in the fore up to that, but we're really excited to share this with you. Coming back in 6 months or a year's time, doing a few videos here when this is all really established, is going to be exciting, and part of our new launch of our new collection, designer collection, which we'll be doing around June. And we want to really show off to garden designers that we understand that. So working with Karen and Guy today, I've learned so much, and we want to keep doing that here at Baker's. So we're at the forefront of design and understanding that integration with planting and the building. So really exciting times ahead. We've got to go and design the inside of this a little bit more now, Karen, and then we'll go from there. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share what we're doing. If you're interested in having a garden actually fully designed, then talk to us, come and talk to me. We're working with lots of people now, and we just want to make this a really nice, fun thing. I mean, this has been a great morning, and hopefully we'll do many more like this, so thank you.
Absolutely.